If position vector of one point in space is known to us and vector parallel to line passing through that point is known, then we can write equation of line in vector form. R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Here lambda, it is also known as parameter. So this is equation of line in parametric form. Now same equation we can convert in non-parametric form. For that we shall collect A bar to LHS. So equation becomes R bar minus A bar equal to lambda B bar. After that, take cross product of LHS as well as RHS with B bar. In cross product of two vectors, order is important. So on both sides, we shall keep B bar as post vector. Lambda B bar into B bar. R bar cross B bar, open the bracket, minus A bar cross B bar equal to lambda into cross product of vector with itself is 0. Lambda into 0, 0. So we may write R bar cross B bar equal to A bar cross B bar. So this is vector equation of line which is passing through point A with position vector A bar and parallel to vector B bar. This equation does not contain parameter lambda. So this is vector equation of line in non-parametric form. So equation of line passing through point A, position vector A bar parallel to B bar is R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Now vector equation of line passing through origin and parallel to vector B bar is R bar equal to lambda B bar. Now we can find vector equation of line if position vectors of 2 points in space are given. Suppose A, its position vector A bar, point B, position vector B bar, and we have to write equation of line in vector form. Now let us consider three axes which are mutually perpendicular to each other. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. A is a point in space, another point B in space. Through 2 points, one line passes. Through any 2 points in space, only one line passes. Position vector of point A bar, position vector of point B, B bar. Position vector of a point, it is vector directed from origin towards that point. So position vector of point A, O A bar, usually it is denoted by small letter A bar. Position vector of point B, B bar. Now let us consider any point R on the line other than A and B. Excluding A and B, consider any other point, point R. Suppose position vector of point R, R bar. So vector directed from origin towards point R. Now here points A, B and R, they are collinear. They are on the same line. If we consider vector AR bar, vector directed from point A towards point R, and vector directed from point A towards point B. So AR bar, AB bar, these are the two vectors, and we can observe that they are along the same line, means they are collinear vectors. And as two vectors are collinear, we can express any one vector as scalar multiple of other. Suppose there exists a scalar quantity lambda, scalar quantity that is real number. So there exists scalar quantity lambda such that AR bar equal to lambda AB bar. AR bar and AB bar, they are vectors in space. In AR bar, A is initial point, R is terminal point. And vector in space can be expressed as position vector of terminal point minus position vector of initial point. So AR bar can be written R bar minus A bar equal to lambda into bracket AB bar, A initial point, B terminal point, position vector of terminal point minus position vector of initial point. So R bar equal to A bar, open this bracket, lambda B bar minus lambda A bar. On RHS, there are two terms containing A bar. If we take A bar common, in bracket we get 1 minus lambda. If we know called position vectors of any 2 points on a line, then we can write vector equation of that line. Now we can observe that in this equation, lambda, it is scalar quantity or parameter. So this is vector equation of line, and it is vector equation of line in parametric form. Now vector equation of line we may write in non-parametric form also. For that we shall consider this equation. R bar minus A bar equal to lambda into bracket B bar minus A bar. If we have to write vector equation of line in non-parametric form, we have to eliminate parameter lambda from the equation. And to eliminate parameter lambda from the equation, we have to bring coefficient of lambda as 0. To bring coefficient of lambda as 0, we have to multiply by B bar minus A bar. We have to take cross product, and we have to take cross product on both sides. So in one bracket R bar minus A bar cross, in another bracket B bar minus A bar equal to lambda into bracket B bar minus A bar. As we are taking cross product, in cross product order is important, so we shall keep B bar minus A bar as post factor. R bar minus A bar cross B bar minus A bar equal to cross product of any vector with itself is 0. A bar cross A bar 0, B bar cross B bar 0. Similarly, B bar minus A bar cross B bar minus A bar 0. Lambda into 0, 0. Now this is vector equation of line passing through 2 points whose position vectors are known. But this equation does not contain parameter lambda. So this is vector equation of line in non-parametric form. Instead of knowing position vectors of 2 points in space, if we know coordinates of 2 points, suppose coordinates of 2 points in space, point A, x1, y1, z1, point B, x2, y2, z2, then equation of line passing through points A and B, it is given by x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Now this is equation of line passing through 2 points whose coordinates are known, and this equation it is in Cartesian form. Observe denominators here, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. They are nothing but direction ratios of line AB. Instead of knowing direction coordinates of 2 points, if we know direction ratios of two position vectors a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Suppose these are the direction ratios of position vectors of 2 points. Then equation of line passing through them, x minus a1 upon a2 minus a1 equal to y minus b1 upon b2 minus b1 equal to z minus c1 upon c2 minus c1, and this is known as equation of line in symmetric form. Now let us consider example. We have to find vector equation of line passing through 2 points. Point A 3, 4, minus 7. Point B 1, minus 1, 1. Also find Cartesian form. So we have to find vector equation of line as well as Cartesian equation of line. For getting vector equation of line passing through 2 points, we should know their position vectors. Here coordinates of points are given. So generally position vectors of points, they are denoted by small letters. So we shall denote position vector of point A, A bar. Position vector of point B, B bar. A bar. Coordinates become coefficients of unit vectors I, j, k. So 3i plus 4j minus 7k. B bar 6i minus j plus k. Vector equation of line passing through 2 points with their position vectors is given by r bar equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. Put the corresponding values. A bar 3i plus 4j minus 7k plus lambda into bracket 6i minus j plus k. So this is vector equation of line passing through 2 points whose position vectors are known to us.